Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Next, firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Next, we will attach the armrest. Start by connecting one armrest flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Next, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion with the included L-bar screws. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.